I want to show you guys something that's really cool. Every travel bag should have this. Now, it is a little bit big, it is a little bit bulky, but I really do like the reason. Because it's going to give you 220 watts of power. That's 220 watts. Now, it's only going to separate that between two USB-Cs. And I love that. I love that because you can't get outlet that's going to power that anywhere, right? And I really like that because that's a lot of power in just a little space. Infinite power in a little tiny living space. Where have I heard that before? But what this does, it's going to power any laptop that you have, which is USB-C, and it will also charge your phone at the same time with super fast speeds. I mean, check this out. So it just plugs into a normal 110 outlet, but then it gives you super power. It harnesses that power. I love using this for my phone. The S26 right here, the S26 is one of those new phones that you can put a lot of juice onto it to charge it. And it just charges from 0 to 100 in like 45 minutes. Super fast charging right there. It's going to be full in like 20 minutes. It goes really, really fast. Plus, at the same time, I love this thing because it pushes so much power into my phone and my computer that I just leave it in my travel bag. And when I need it, I mean, check this out. It'll charge my computer as well. And I want to just show you right here that I'm just plugging it in. So I have my phone and my computer. Both of them are charging right this second. Isn't that cool? I mean, you can have your laptop and your phone charging at super fast speeds. Now, if you travel a lot and you need to charge your laptop on the go, then that's going to matter to you. Those high speeds definitely will matter to you. I would highly, highly recommend picking one of these up and just leaving it in your travel bag or use it for your everyday use like I do.